Cupcake.
I'm Cupcake, and here's my collection of LPS.
So what are we going to do today? Is to find
We're gonna find out what the LPS's name.
Okay, so what are you using? We are using.
I'm using my iPad.
And that is called an app. It's called
Your World.
Your World. Okay, let's click on it. And that is a function that you can scan the LPS. Okay, let's scan the first one. Let's do this one first. Okay, we put him on. See, there's a sign, and then you have to face the camera. See? So when you match the footprint, and the name is coming out. What's his name?
Sunil Nebula.
You have to wait. His name will coming out.
Sunil Nebula.
Wow! And here you set all his information about this pet, and then you also get a gift that you can put on him to have a little bit decoration.
Sunil Nebula.
Okay, let's do the next one then. Okay, this is the app, and we have to click on the footprint on the top here.
Okay.
What's his name? It's a girl. It's Gitty Gately.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, glasses.
Okay.
Head.
Where? Oh. You can scan the toy and unlock this key. Wow, and you also got the money for the game. Oh, and we have a low battery warning. Alright, let's do the next one by kicking the footprint on the top corner.
Okay.
Wow, this one is quick. What's her name? Say it.
Lily Foxley. Lily Foxley.
Start your saying, okay? Say what to do.
And you press.
his name? Lovely Silverstein. It's a mouse, and here can say his mouth.
Ooh.
And he got a balloon.
And now let's do the next step. You have to press this. Okay, so
I think we need to put. Skittery Banter. Okay, now we can click on the pet shop to see what pet we have. Which one can show all the pets?
Maybe any of these activities you can see.
I think we can go inside the pet shop, right? And you got all the cat pets, and then you can have a look. Here?
You might like to try
See,
decorating.
this is all your pets. Scanned in here. Okay. Thanks for watching. We can find out other names on the next video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video, everyone.